Welcome to Introduction to Woodworking for Beginners. Today we will explore the basics of woodworking that will provide you with a solid foundation to build your skills. Before we dive into the tools and techniques, we need to emphasize the importance of safety in woodworking. Always remember to wear personal protective equipment and follow safety guidelines when working with power tools. The first thing you need to know as a woodworker is the different types of wood and which one suits your project. In this scene, we will discuss the most common types of wood used in woodworking and their characteristics. Woodworking requires different types of tools, such as hand tools, power tools, and measuring tools. Here, we will go through the most essential tools you need as a beginner and how to use them. Measuring and marking are crucial in woodworking to ensure that your project is accurate and precise. This scene will teach you the different measuring and marking tools and techniques necessary in woodworking. The next step after cutting your wood to size is joining them together. In this scene, we will show you the different types of joining techniques, such as pocket holes, biscuits, and dowels. Finally, we have come to the finishing stage of woodworking. This scene will teach you how to give your woodworking project a professional and beautiful finish. Congratulations on completing Introduction to Woodworking for Beginners. With the knowledge you have gained from this video, you are now ready to start your woodworking journey. Remember to always prioritize safety and practice your skills.